Greetings, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. The Bible says in Proverbs 16, verse 3, commit your works to the Lord and your plan will succeed. Commit your works to the Lord and your plans will succeed. So if you want your plans to succeed, what you need to do is to commit your works to the Lord. But how do you do that? You commit your works to the Lord in prayer. So this is why we are starting 2025 with 7 Sundays of aggressive prayers. 7 Sundays of aggressive prayers. And we're gonna be covering 7 key areas of your life. The first Sunday, which will be January 5th, we will be praying for your spiritual life. The second Sunday, we will be praying for your family. The third Sunday, we will be praying for your health. The fourth Sunday, we'll be praying for your education. The fifth Sunday, we will be praying for your finances. The sixth Sunday, we will be praying for your ministry. And the seventh Sunday, we will be praying for divine connections. And here's what you're gonna do. In all of those areas that I've just mentioned, you're gonna write a letter to the Lord. And you're gonna mention what you would want the Lord to do in each one of those areas. And you're gonna bring that letter to you during those 7 Sundays. And we're gonna lift them up before the Lord, just like Hezekiah lifted up the letter before the Lord. The Lord read it and moved in his behalf. And we are trusting not only God will read your letter, but he will also move in your behalf in 2025. So we encourage all of you to come in person in our Miami campus, as well in our different campuses around the world, and participate in our different services. At 6 o'clock, we have a French service. At 8 o'clock, we have a Creole service. And at 11 o'clock, we have our English service. Make sure you come in person with your letter, and God, we are trusting by faith, will move in your behalf. If you are too far, you do not have a campus near you, we're gonna encourage you to connect online on YouTube, Shekinah.fm on YouTube, Shekinah.fm on YouTube, or connect on our Shekinah app. So I am excited about what God is gonna do in your life in 2025. Come with your letter every Sunday, right from the 5th of January all the way through the 16th of February. God bless you. See you in church.